Alright y'all, so today we're going to make some garlic and chili potato dippers and some cheddar tomato dip with some jalapenos in it. If you want to see me do it and get the recipe, stay tuned. The first thing we have to do is get our potatoes most definitely cut into wedges. And this is how you'll do it. After you get them cut up and rinsed and drained, go ahead and put your garlic powder in, your chili powder in, put that olive oil on there as well. Go on ahead and stir that together. Now we're just going to add some salt in here and just stir that up as well. Now we're going to go ahead and get us some parchment paper, and we're going to go ahead and place them on their backs, whole side down like a boat. I'm going to pour all of that extra juice, oil, spices on top of these potatoes, and I'm going to put them in the oven. Now I'm going to get the jalapeno together, and this is the way you should chop it. Now, if you like the seeds or spice, leave them in there. Get that tomato together and chop it just like this. Now we're going to chop up the jalapenos. Now that we've added both of those to a bowl, we're going to go ahead and shred our cheese. Use extra sharp cheddar cheese. And go on ahead and put all of that in the bowl. And we're going to go ahead and get our sour cream, baby, because you're going to need some of that. So we're going to take this whole 8-ounce container and we're going to put this whole thing on top of, because there's no measuring to the tomato, jalapeno, or the cheese. You put as much as you want. I used 2 jalapenos and 1 Roma tomato and just as much cheese as I wanted with this whole 8-ounce package container of sour cream. Just go on ahead and stir that around. So creamy. Try this with a baked potato even. So delicious. Now we're going to go on ahead and get this chilled off. Put it in the fridge for a little bit. And now that those potatoes are done, we're going to go on ahead and scoop scoop some of that sour cream mixture. You know, the cheddar and tomato dip. We're going to go on ahead and put that on this plate because we're going to tear these up so good. Y'all got to try. Oh, y'all, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye.